Good morning and welcome back to another episode of Yadz Travel. And for today's episode, we're going to take you to Solea. So it's my first night here in Solea, and with me is hi Vince, the porn star. So ngayon ay kumakain kami ng breakfast namin. So and we'll take you on our next ganap. Hi guys! Good morning mga Yadz! So, my God, putok pa kaya akong mata. So, kakagising ko lang. And later, we will be having breakfast and we'll go to swimming. To swimming.
Do we have breath?
Yes, we do.
Where's the ref?
There. So, I'm gonna take you a room tour here at Solea Mactan. Unsa kaya day? Sweet room. Okay. Sweet, that not sweet but sweet. Seat. Anyways, guys, this is the room. So this is the main room when you enter, guys. And the balcony, the balcony overseeing the view. Okay. Hi guys, and this is the second room with 2 beds available and another balcony. Here's another balcony here. And there's the CR comfort room where there is a bathtub. Perfect. After you see watching in the balcony, you go swimming in the bathtub. So there's where you poo, and we have dryer as well, and a shower room. All right. So, Mom, what are we going to do now? I'm vlogging. Yes, I'm asking you.
We're going to the pools.
Oh, pools? What
Yes.
pools?
There are, I think, 7 or 10.
7 or 10?
Yeah.
10 fools?
Because it's April
Fool's Day. Hi guys, since we are going to the pool, so we need to be protected. So we'll be using our GT Brightening C Plus Daily Sun Care with SPF 70. So we're gonna put it on our face so that we can still enjoy the sun.
Daily Sun Care,
So Daily Sun Care has SPF 70, guys. So this is a tinted sunscreen, of course, from GT Cosmetics, right, Mosh? So we're gonna apply now the. Nandiyo mga squad dali wala mga Daily Sun Care. So GT Cosmetics na yung mga squad. So mabibili niyo to sa mga leading department store like Watson's, SM, Save More, at saka Robinsons, and a whole lot more. Okay, eto Daily Sun Care. Char, kasi beauty guru daw tayo. Sham, so I'll be using my beauty blender and applying the Daily Sun Care. So ito siya. Like I said, tinted sunscreen with SPF 70. Alright. So now, applying on skin. Alright. Gonna add more. Please also don't forget to put it in your neck, because if you go to the fall, your neck will also be protected. Okay? Okay, kayo. Alright. Yay! Hi guys, we're now here sa veg front sa Solea. So here, there's like many palm trees, sunset. Yes, this is so perfect, guys. Here in Solea. Now we will explore the beach here. Yes. So, dadaan muna tayo ng mga jungle. Ayan. Alright. Ito. Alright. Excuse me. Ayan. Ouch! And ito ang bubungad sa atin. Yes! Hi! Their beach, guys. So you can do kayak here, paddle, skamerloo. Yes, ito yung dagat nila. Yeah! Oh my gosh! Here. Tapos mga floating skamerloo dyan. So this is the beach. Yeah. Beach. Alright! Yes guys, and that was my vlog here in Solea. Thank you so much, Solea, for our stay here. And then please stay tuned for my next vlog. If you like my vlog, please don't forget to click the subscribe button. And see you in our next vlog. Bye!